Women who can get men addicted to them forever have these 4 outstanding qualities in common. Do you want to make him addicted to you and only you? Do you want to keep your man's eyes on you and only you? If so, you've come to the right place. As you may or may not already know, there are several things that women may do to persuade men to commit. The good news is that they have nothing to do with appearance, but rather with attitude. It's natural for people to be drawn to looks. Many women go to great lengths to improve their looks in order to attract their ideal men. But not all men like attractive women. On the contrary, a lot of handsome men have an average-looking woman by their side. So why can't certain women's attractiveness attract men and keep them addicted, yet ordinary-looking women can captivate handsome men? Physical attraction is just temporary for men. Beauty will fade away with time. Women who can actually make men addicted must possess exceptional traits on the inside. So here are 4 outstanding qualities women who can make men addicted in life have in common. Number 1. Seizing the opportunity, being appropriately gentle, and eager to create a safe harbor for their men. Women are inherently different from men. Aside from a few strong women, most women are gentle. To be a woman who can get men addicted, you must first grasp the situation in life, know when to be soft, and make men believe you are a flesh and blood woman. Women have a soft nature. Learning to rely on men in particular situations and asking for their help gives him the impression that you trust him, so he is willing to see your vulnerability. This will convince him that you cannot live without him, and he will love you even more. Women are like water. Learning to offer a warm harbor for men at the right moment might help them feel at home and appreciate what you're doing. Sufficient softness may quietly grab a man's heart, leaving him addicted to love you. However, being appropriately gentle does not imply being submissive or agreeing to everything. It's about understanding when to offer your partner the proper amount of face and warmth. It is said men are responsible for the outside, women are responsible for the inside. Regardless of whether a man is in charge at home while you are with him outdoors, always give him enough face and make him feel that you respect him and protect his dignity. Understanding that being gentle doesn't mean losing ground in the relationship. Being gentle might sometimes mean caring for the other person rather than surrendering. When a man who loves you sees your efforts for him, he'll love you even more, eventually becoming addicted to you. Even if he does not say much, he'll show his love via his acts. Women who can actually make men addicted know how to seize the opportunity, regard men's feelings, and be appropriately gentle. Number 2, they have a clear attitude and an independent personality and are prepared to share their joys and sorrows with their partners. Everybody needs their own space. Everyone, including men, dislikes having someone around them 24/7. The second exceptional quality that might cause men to get addicted is an independent personality, which is eager to share life's hardships and confront problems together. Being clinging may be acceptable during the passionate period of a relationship, but in the dull phase, a woman who is always clingy and does not allow her guy space to think may eventually irritate him. Smart women understand how to make men adore them more. They have their own opinions, know when to do what, and are faithful to their relationship. However, it's not about obsession or giving up one's life for love. Rather, it's about accepting responsibility when your guy needs assistance, having opinions, and sharing the burden. At the same time, having an independent personality and a clear attitude would let a man realize that you have your own opinions. If he does not cherish you and breaks your heart, you'll leave him without hesitation. The occasional sense of crisis will make him care about you even more. As a result, such women who are often more appealing to men and more prone to make them addicted than those who are always compliant. Number 3, confident, enthusiastic, and upbeat, they are prepared to give their partners full trust. They think that confident women are the most attractive. A woman may not be attractive, but she must be confident. To make a guy addicted to you, a woman has to first change herself, enrich herself, and radiate confidence from the inside. A man may notice your attractiveness at first glance in a certain scenario, but what will keep him hooked is your confidence after spending time with you. A confident woman never worries about a man leaving her because she is confident enough to know he can't live without her. This mindset will also help a guy feel more at ease without living in a trust crisis every day. Men have a conquering instinct. A confident woman emits an aura from the inside, making a man to be drawn to her unconsciously and want to conquer her. Being addicted to love is always founded on a strong bond of feelings between the two people. This addiction is irrepressible and irreversible. If you want a man to be addicted to you for life, learn to be a woman who is gentle, independent, and confident. Number 4, they always project high value. Now, this one may be a bit confusing, but the idea is that you must remind a man that you are not easy, cheap, easily impressed, ordinary, or of lower average worth. No, you're something special. You are a high-value lady in contrast to the average girl he encounters and sees on a regular basis. So, what does high value truly mean? Some people believe that being an Instagram model and wearing brand-name clothing is all that matters. Doesn't that increase your price? No, of course not. High value is the concept of realizing your own self-worth. You talk and carry yourself with confidence. You're aware that you deserve the relationship you desire, not the one you settle for. You do not play the hard-to-get game, but you do make him work a bit harder for your devotion, loyalty, and most intimate affection. You consistently convey to him that you only respond to the effort that he puts in. You are proud of your job, your profession, and your interest. Family and spiritual time are both essential to you and contribute to that which makes you special. Your skill set, values, and personality are all factors that lead to a premium price. He can't expect to impress you with minimum effort. You are not unavailable because you're playing with him. You just respect your time and will not lower your standards merely to please him. And that's what he will value most about you: your beliefs, values, and loyalty to the life you live now. That's the attitude he can't get enough of and he'll eventually fall for. He wants to see and think of you as successful and valuable. He wants to know that you are not an ordinary woman, but rather someone who goes above and beyond. The secret ingredient that will make him hooked to you is to live your own life to the fullest while simultaneously being there for him, accepting him, supporting him, and occasionally spicing things up. It's important to remember to look after yourself, nourish your relationships, and spend time alone. Believe me, no man will ever be able to resist such a woman. He'll get addicted to you as soon as you show him that you don't need him and that you're perfectly capable of being independent. He'll want to be a part of your life and all you do since he desperately wants your presence, aura, and everything. You'll always have his attention if you remember these 4 amazing qualities and provide him with a steady stream of emotional foreplay. He'll get infatuated with you, enamored with you, and captivated by you. That's when he really starts working hard to get you to commit to him. This is how your story could end happily ever after. Well, there you have it. 4 outstanding qualities women who can get men addicted to them forever have in common. Hope the video helped, and thanks for watching.